guys, I'm Kirti Joel and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on fashion, DIY and travel, and today's video is a DIY video wherein I am going to DIY these heels. Now if y'all have watched my previous styling video, I have styled these heels with this outfit and these are the heels that I had DIY'd. Now I didn't have yellow colored heels and I needed them on urgent basis, and due to the lockdown there was no delivery service also available, so I thought of giving it a try. I thought of DIYing it, and it was completely experimental. I didn't knew whether it's going to turn out properly or how it's going to look. I just gave it a random try and it worked. And the result was so amazing. I loved it, and I ended up making one in purple color also. I had an outfit planned but I didn't shoot in it. Yeah, I loved how it turned out and I thought of sharing it with you all. So let's get started. But before that, if you like my video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Now let's get started. Materials you'll be needing: cloth, double-sided tape and normal tape, and scissors, and of course heels that you wish to DIY. Take your fabric, and it can be of any material. It can be cotton, it can be satin. Cut a rectangle out of it and then seal the edges. I'll tell you the measurement of this rectangle in some time, but for now have a look at this. Once you are done with this, you'll be needing another strip which is about 7 to 8 inches long and 1.5 inches in breadth. Again, seal the edges, all the 4 edges of this. Next up, take your heels and try to work with open heels like this and not the overall packed ones. It's going to make it much easier. Now take your cloth, and the measurement, the length of this cloth should cover this end to this end. So now I hope you understand how much length you need to take. Now take the center of this rectangle, gather it at the center like this. Hold the fabric at the center, hold the heel and fabric together, and now you need to cover the heel strap with this cloth like this. Slowly pull the fabric and adjust the fabric in such a way that the strap is not being seen. Next up, take transparent tape and then just tape this cloth like this at the bottom. This is just for temporary basis. I'll tell you why. Now turn it over and check the other side whether there is enough fabric to cover the straps on the other side. If not, then you can slowly loosen up the tape side. And once you feel that the fabric is properly covering the strap, you can go ahead and stick it at the end like this. You can either use a double side tape for temporary use like I am using here, or if you want to make it permanent and if you want to wear it somewhere outside, then you can even use a hot glue gun. Make sure you have someone's assistance while using a hot glue gun, and yeah. Now take your long strip and make a bow out of it, a simple bow that we usually do. Now gather the fabric at the center, and with the help of the loose ends of the bow, you need to tie a knot at the bottom of the center of the strap. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So just have a look at the video and you'll understand. Been DIY'd, it looks professional and I am loving the look. Moving on to our next heels, which are in purple color, and for that also you need a rectangular cloth. Now make sure that you take about 7 to 8 inches extra from your regular measurement, and then again seal the edges, cut the raw threads coming out. And now take your heel. Again, I'm using the same heel because it's open and it's comfortable to make. Now take your cloth and identify the center of it, like take the center of it, gather it from the center. Now this is the main part. Now you need to place the cloth under the strap like this, bring it in the forward like this. And now you need to do the same thing, bring it over and again put it under. Like you need to roll it over like this and do it nicely, gently you don't want to break the heel or the fabric, and then you need to do the same thing. Check whether the fabric covers the entire shoe strap from both the side, and if it does, go ahead and stick it with whatever you want, and if it doesn't, make sure to adjust the cloth like this from both the sides so that it's equal, and then you can go ahead and stick it. You can either stick it with double side tape like I am doing for temporary use, or you can use a hot glue gun, and your shoe is ready. And because of the satin, it looks very luxurious. I love it. And this is how it looks like. It's not just a DIY, you can wear it. It's a useful DIY and it looks pretty, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section below how you like the look of the heels. So yeah, this was it. I hope you liked the video. This was a super easy DIY, and whenever you are in an emergency or you don't want to invest in heels, you can try this DIY. And this is you can wear this out also, like whenever you're going out, not just for shoots and indoor things. If you use the glue gun instead of tapes, then you can definitely use these out also. Sometimes what happens is our heels are good, the base of the heel is good, but the upper covering or the color or the leather just comes off and then we cannot wear it. So there you can do this DIY and then you can reuse it. So yeah, this was it. Let me know in the comment section below how you like the video, and meet you next time. Until then, stay stylish.